In this video, we will see how to get a 50% discount in Submagic AI. You can use the link in the description to open Submagic and then log into your account using your Gmail ID. To get the 50% discount, on your dashboard, head over to the bottom left corner and click on the upgrade button. You'll now see 3 pricing options available. Take a moment to compare them and choose the one that suits you best. At the top, you'll notice that if you pick the monthly plan, there's no discount, the prices increase. But switching to the yearly plan gives you about a 41% discount right away, lowering all the prices significantly. On top of that, you can add another discount too. After choosing your preferred plan, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Here, there's a space to enter a promo code. Just type WB Explainer and hit enter. You'll see an extra 10% taken off your total. So, with the yearly plan and this code combined, you're saving almost 50%. Even if you don't go with the yearly plan, you can still apply this promo code to save some money. Now, just fill in the payment details on the right side and finish up the checkout. If you're interested in an awesome AI tool that helps create SEO-friendly blogs and articles, check out this video right here. If you found this video useful, give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and tools like this. Thanks for watching.